How to log out of Patreon app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up easily how we can log out of Patreon app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So Patreon is an app where you can access exclusive podcasts, videos, art, writing, recipes, courses, music, and many more from your favorite creators and build communities elsewhere from anywhere. So let's say you want to log out of that particular app. So in order to do that, you just need to open the app. After that, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to log out from that account, you just need to simply tap on your account at the top right. You can see the account that is associated, the Google account. Just tap on it and easily you can find this logout option. Just tap on logout and just like that, you will be logged out of that account. So just follow this step and you will be logged out of Patreon app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.